Let's fix Windows Update error 0x80070012. And there are many other errors while trying to update the Windows 10 or Windows 11. We get this 0x80070012. So we will be doing only 3 simple steps to fix this problem. So the very first step is click on the search icon and type Troubleshoot, and you will find Troubleshoot settings. And once you click on that, here we need to click on Other Troubleshooters and look for Windows Update, Other Troubleshooters, and click on Run. Now, the moment you do that, it will start detecting problems, and it is very effective on Windows 10 and Windows 11 if you have any kind of Windows Update problems, Windows Update issues. So once it is done, click on the search icon and type CMD, Charlie, Mike, David, and you will find command prompt and run as administrator. Please make sure you run as administrator. Don't click on open. So once you click on run as administrator, it will ask you to say yes, and a new window will appear like this. Now I'll mention these commands in the description. So the very first command is sfc space /scannow. This is a very effective step, works very well on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So once you paste it and hit enter, this sfc space /scannow, it will start scanning the computer and fix if there is any bug or any Windows Update issues. So once this is done, you don't have to do anything, just move to the next step, and for that you just need to copy the command again and paste it to the same command prompt. Run as administrator, say yes, and here just paste it and hit enter. This will also start fixing your problem. This is a DISM fix, deployment imaging services and management tool. This will refresh the Windows, and the best part is it will fix all kinds of Windows Update error. This might take 5-7 minutes, and once this is done, it's very important to restart the computer. So once you restart the computer, once this is done, restart the computer, and most probably it will fix the problem. You can let me know in the comment section if it has fixed for you, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.